Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche Okoye. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but drugstore makeup tutorial, and the product of the day is elf. Okay, so elf is like an amazing brand and their products are like really affordable. Now most of the products I have here right now, it's gonna be like first impression. Some of them I've used, so I'm going to just tell you guys about it as I go, and yeah, that's about it. And if you guys want to see me do a full face beat with cheap products, okay, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I have here is eyebrow pencil. Okay, I'm going to be leaving the prices because I can't remember them. Okay, so each one I use, I'm going to leave the prices here for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to use, like I said, is the eyebrow pencil, and this is the instant lift brow pencil in the shade neutral brown. Okay, when I saw this on the website, I thought it was going to be brown, but it's sort of like, I don't know, it's like olive, if that makes sense. It's not really like neutral brown the way I imagine it to be. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm going to show you. Okay, it also comes with a spoolie brush. So one side is brow pencil and the other side is spoolie brush, which is like really perfect for me because, you know, amazing. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be like first impression because I've not used the eyebrow pencil before. So all right, okay guys, so one thing I realized is that the brow tip is not like, how will I say, it's not pointed. Okay, it's not sharp, it's like, it's big, and I hate brows like this because they don't really give you precision the way you want. It's like, it's really thick. Yeah, the pencil is thick, and now I'm struggling to like just make it as sharp as possible. I don't know, but we'll see. Okay, so I think they have about 4 or 3 different shades, and this is like the second to last shade. And I guess I would have just gone to the get the like the darkest shade, but I mean, here we are with neutral brown. Okay, so guys, I have like a detailed eyebrow tutorial on my channel, and I'm going to leave a link here for you guys to watch. It's like really zoomed in detailed eyebrow tutorial, you know, so you can go ahead and enjoy it when you're done watching this video. All right, I'm going to go ahead and use this brow gel. Okay, so this is like super tiny. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be like this tiny when I was ordering it online. I thought it was going to be bigger. Let me show you guys the normal brow gel that I have. Okay guys, so this is my brow gel from NYX. So I was thinking it's going to be like the same size, but it's not even close to the same size. It's so tiny. It's like travel size brow gel. Okay, this is not what I thought I saw. This is what I saw. I don't know, I thought it was going to be like really bigger. Okay, and this is also in the shade neutral brown because I thought, of course, it's going to be like brown, you know. Okay, so this has like a little bit of color in it, so it will add like more color to the brows. Okay guys, so now that the brows are done, the next step is my face, and they have this elf Putty primer for the face, but it was sold out on the website. Okay, but I already have this one, and this is the elf illuminating primer mist, and this is what I'm going to use for my face as my primer. All right guys, so the next step is the foundation, and this is their elf flawless finish foundation in the shade COCO. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's very tiny portable bottle, a plastic bottle. Okay, and this is not first impression. I've been using this for a while. This is in the shade COCO deep with neutral undertone. Okay, Now this is neutral, and I don't think my shade is neutral. I don't even know what my undertone is. I don't know if it's neutral or like golden, but I always get away with this. Okay, I always get away with it, so I mean, why not? All right, so I'm going to use this on my face, and I love the finish of this foundation. It has this flawless finish, like really flawless. Like, it's super amazing. Okay guys, so because I knew that the foundation that I have is olive, all right, I decided to get the concealer that has like warm undertone in it, just cancel out all this olive I'm seeing right now. Usually I mix it with another foundation. Okay, so this is their e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer. God, I've seen so many reviews on this concealer, I'm like, I have to get it. Okay, I have to get it. So this is like my own first impression, and I got the shade Deep Chestnut and the shade Ebony. Okay, Ebony for not really contour, it's not so dark for contour. This is not the darkest shade. This is basically like to bronze up my face. Okay, and then Deep Chestnut to highlight my face, and I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, this is so creamy. Oh, so nice. Okay guys, so while I let it dry down a little bit, I'm going to go in with the dark shade that I have to contour, bronze up my face. Now when I try to most things I saw on the website, because they have this e.l.f. website for Australia, you know, specifically, and almost everything was sold out, guys. Almost everything was sold out, so I just grabbed the things I found. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. HD powder, and I'm looking at it right now, and I think it has shimmer. Okay, I think it has shimmer in it. Let me just start over here, and then we'll decide if I'm going to put it under my eyes, because it's like it's glittering. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like it's glittering. Okay guys, so it's glittering, but it doesn't really show up on the skin. Like, I'm definitely not shining. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and use this on the eye area. This feels like super soft. It feels so soft, and it just blends into the skin. This is so amazing. Now moving on to the eyes. Okay, so I got this primer. Actually, I got two primer, and this is primer. I believe this is primer, and I like to believe this is eye base. Okay, so this one is a sheer eye primer. It looks like this, and this is the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. And even though they call it an eye primer, I'll call it a base. Okay guys, so first impression, this is so dry. I mean, I've been using the NYS eye base, and it's creamy, which takes longer time to dry down before you apply your eyeshadow. But I'm kind of, well, I'll figure out how this one works, because it's like dry. Okay, you probably won't have to like wait that long to get it, you know, dry before you start applying your eyeshadow, but we'll see. So because it dries down matte, I mean, as you're applying it, it's matte. It's so difficult to blend. Like, I'm literally dragging the eyeshadow on the eye base. Okay, it's like once you put it on your skin, on your eyes, it's dry. I don't get it, but I mean, we'll just see. Okay guys, so because it dries down so quick, I think it's better, instead of packing on the eye base and then blending it out, just go in straight with your blending brush and pick up the product and just blend as you apply. That way it's not going to be so difficult to blend out. Yeah, so this has been a struggle. That's like I said, if you want to use the primer, I mean, it's a good thing it dries down immediately, so you can just go in straight with your eyeshadow, but it's not advisable to just pack on the eyeshadow like I did in the beginning and blend it out later. If you do that, it's going to dry down. So just use your brush, your blending brush, and go in straight and then blend it as you apply. That way it doesn't stress you the way it has just stressed me. Okay Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using the eyeshadow, and this is just going to be the easiest eyeshadow anybody can do. Like, everything is already lined up for you. You don't need anything else. It's already in line. So I'm just going to do it this way. I'm just going to follow the same line. Okay, this first, blend it out, apply this inner corner straight up, and yeah, that's it. So this is a beautiful palette. I'm like super impressed with this, and it didn't really have fallout. No, it did not. And this is so amazing. It makes eyeshadow easy. If you're like a beginner, you can just get like a couple of them. I mean, they're like for $60. You get like different color, then you would know what to do. You know, you don't need to think of, okay, what am I going to transition with, what am I going to do this way. Everything is like here, laid out together. It is amazing. This is amazing. And the colors are so pigmented, guys. Look at my eyes. Let me just quickly do the rest of the eyes off camera, and then we'll come back and continue this video. Okay guys, so the eyes are done, and I used the e.l.f. eyeliner as my eyeliner. Okay, this is not a first impression. This is like one of my coolest eyeliners. Coolest, yeah. And this is in the shade charcoal. Like, it's really dark, and it's super amazing. So yeah, now okay, so before I go in with my powder, I got this is also like a mini blush. Okay, honestly, when I saw it on the website, I'm going to try and attach the picture. You would think it's like one big blush. Like, I was thinking it would be like this size when it comes like the width, and then maybe half of this, let's say like from here to here as the length. But guys, look at this. This is so tiny, and I got this blush because I don't really have like a liquid blush. All I have is like a powdered blush, and I was like, you know, let me get this. It looks nice. Lo and behold, it's a tiny blush. Okay, this is in the shade Luminous Berry. It has different shades, and this is the one I got. I'm going to apply this on the back of my hand. Oh, this is a beautiful shade. Look at the shade, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is how it looks like. It's like and yeah, it has like shimmer in it. What is wrong with all this shimmer product I was getting? All right, so I'm just going to pick up the product with my brush. So this definitely has shimmer in it, and I don't know, it's not so pigmented. So like I said, most of the things are sold out on the page, like the pressed powder and many things. Okay, so the next thing, I had to use my own product, like my powder and my bronzer. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And to set my face, I'll be using the matte magic mist and set. It's in a very tiny bottle. Okay, I'm just going to set my face with this. Okay, so I'm going to apologize for the light. So it's getting a little bit dark, so that's why the lighting is really weird right now. The last thing I'm going to use on my face is this highlight. Okay, it doesn't say anything on the bottom. Oh, it's in the shade Rose Gold. Okay, this is how it looks like. I think the light is going to be giving it like a silver shade, but it's actually in gold. This doesn't look so pigmented. It looks like if you're going for like a natural highlight, it's not like really pigmented because, and okay, this is weird. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I honestly thought I ordered a lip product. I mean, I saw this dark brown, like really dark brown that was so cute, and I thought I clicked add to cart. I just realized I don't click add to cart and I can't find it, which means I didn't order it. This is so sad. So I just have to use what I have. So this is the final look, guys, and okay, yeah, so this is it. Drugstore product elf. Okay, if you guys want me to do like different drugstore products, not like focusing on one brand, just all the drugstore product that I have, because of course mostly everything I use is basically drugstore. Okay, if you guys want me to do like a drugstore makeup tutorial, I'll probably not focus on just one brand, just everything that is drugstore. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, and I'll do that. And also, I mean, I'm impressed with most of the things. Okay, I will explain them as I'm using them. Okay, they're really great. Okay, except for I really don't dig the blush. Okay, it's like it's just there. I mean, if you don't want to use highlights, you might just go ahead and use this. Okay, because it has like shimmer in it, and I'm not like great about it. I'm not sad. I'm just in between, you know, just in between. And the concealer, this is my favorite. Okay, this Camo concealer. Now all the review I've been seeing is actually really worth it. This is amazing. If you have dry skin, you can go for the hydrating one. If you have matte oily skin, you can go for this matte one. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. And then for this mini eyeshadow palette, this is amazing. Okay, I'm going to get like more colors of this. It's so pigmented and it's so easy to use. Like, you just know what to do. They've already explained it for you, like with the arrangement is already explained, so you just know what to do. And that is super cool for, like, say you are beginning, like you're trying out eyeshadow for the first time, or you're trying to get into using eyeshadow. If you get minis of all this, it will set you on the right track. Okay, because it has different colors, and it's amazing. And I'm going to get more of that. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for this video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think of this look. Personally, I'm digging it. Okay, all right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye.